To make a blackout poem, first of all, choose a news reading application such as the New York Times and scroll until you've chosen an article that takes your fancy. Click on it and take a screenshot of it. After that, open up the Brushes application and create a new blank document. From the top right corner, you can add a picture, the screenshot that you took earlier, and rotate it until you've got it in place. The next stage is to set up another layer so that you're not actually painting on the document, you're painting on the layer above. So you click on the right hand side and add another layer. There are 4 layers that you can see there. We're going to be working on the top layer. Next it's time to get our brush and colour. We need to choose black if we're doing a traditional blackout poem, and then choose any kind of brush type. I just went with a plain one for this. And I choose a very small size for the beginning so I can zoom in and it's easier for me to circle the words that I want to keep. I move down, choosing words that stand out to me or that I think might make a good poem. I use the undo tool because I went over the letter that I wanted and try to repeat it so that I can get that A. Now that the hard part's done, the choosing of the words, it's time to zoom out again. And this time we're going to need a bigger brush so that we can start to black out the rest of the words, leaving only our selected words behind. Just increase the size and get to work. I've sped this next part up for you. So I'm using the big brush, increasing the size when I know that it's going to be an area that I can just do quickly. I'll change to a small brush here and show you what happens when you make a mistake or go over the words that you want to keep. You click on the eraser tool and then just erase over the top of it. Once you're finished, you can switch back over to the paintbrush and keep going. It gets a bit tricky around the small parts, So I have to change to a smaller brush and enlarge the view again to make it easier. Finally, we have our finished product. One great thing about this is that you can email the image or mail the actions, which is a video of what you did. So the next thing you're going to see is the video that I emailed. I think it's a great way of showing process as well as product.